Hi, this is Suzanne Vasbinder, broker owner of Your Home Sold Guarantee Realty, Vasbinder International. I just wanted to take a few minutes here to go over what's been going on in the news, or what you've probably heard in the news and social media for the last 10 days or so, about the proposed NAR settlement for $418 million. Yes, that's a lot of moolah. But what it's all about, and people are all over the place over this, basically all it is going to be, the difference is sellers are going to pay the listing agent, and buyers are going to be either compensated by the buyer, or by the seller as a form of seller concessions. That's all it is. It's just decoupling. Because right now, what's been going on is we, as a listing broker, would offer a co-broke to the buyer's agent. Now, you're supposed to show all properties to the buyers, but a lot of agents out there would only show properties based on commission, what they were awarded. So, for example, if you were offering let's say, $1, chances of your property being sold or being looked at were probably slim to none, unless the buyer's agent was 100% ethical. But there's a lot of them out there that are not. And actually, one of them contacted one of my sellers this morning directly without going through me, which is one of the worst ethic violations you could do, and wanting to know why he was only offering a 2% co-broke. Now, first of all, he's not offering it, is the broker that's offering the 2% co-broke. And, and of course, he knew what we were offering in this situation and was totally fine with it. So what she did was illegal and unethical. And this hopefully will stop these kind of agents out there that are not looking out for the best interests of the buyers. So calling a seller, having a buyer's broker call a seller when a property is listed on the MLS is a no-no. We cannot do that. So hopefully your buyer agent will be looking out for your best interest and showing you all properties like we do here at Your Home Sold Guarantee Realty, Vasbinder International. We do not discriminate. We show off-market properties. We even go to finding properties that are not even listed. We also show foreclosures, for sale by owners, because we know our value to our buyers. We negotiate upfront our fees, and we give them guarantees. We also, one of the guarantees that we give them is love it or leave it, or a cancellation guarantee. We have so many different guarantees that we offer, and we put it in writing. So if you'd like to find out more about how we do business versus the average agent all over United States, give us a call at 239-357-8787 and start packing.